Alright, the diagram below illustrates the process of cell division. So we are going through interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and interphase. Then it says, what is the significance of the spindle fibers in anaphase? So this is where we're going to be focusing to answer the question of this process. Now I added a picture here of the cell cycle. Now just to recap what happens in the cell cycle, G1, that is when the cell starts to grow. S phase is when that DNA is getting replicated. G2 is when it checks itself before it wrecks itself and it continues to grow. Then we go through mitosis, M phase. Now all these parts are inside of mitosis, and then cytokinesis is when the two cells officially split. Now let's focus again on M phase for mitosis. That is where each of these pictures are broken down in. If we are looking here at prophase, we can start seeing the individual chromosomes. Then on metaphase, that is when the chromosomes align in the middle metaphase. And then anaphase, that is when those spindle fibers, remember the spindle fibers in the notes, that is all about kind of like a fishing rod where you throw the rod or the string for the rod and it holds on to one of those chromosomes and then it pulls it to each side, it rolls it back in. And then on telophase, we have the same amount of chromosomes on each side right before it's going to split into two identical daughter cells. Okay, so the question is asking, what is the significance of those spindle fibers? Remember, spindle fibers, that's going to be our fishing rods, right? And in anaphase, they're going to be snatching those chromosomes and evenly putting them on each side of the cell. Okay, now talking about that, look through those answer choices and select your final answer.